The boys are making their pizzas for dinner. Okay, let us know with your pizza dough throwing.
You be my hero.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Little.
Yeah, try and keep it inside because it'll come out. Yeah, there you go, bud. Oh, he's kneading that thing. Oh, it's time to feed Charlie. It's okay, I'll feed him. These are their pizzas. They got real thick and fluffy. It's so pretty here. We're at a nature center for Jakey's field trip. It says ground bird's nest here. Please keep your dog on a leash. We're waiting for the school bus. We got so lucky. It was supposed to rain like hard,
like
and
thunderstorms.
and they said rain or shine. They said and we have Jacob in rain boots because we told him. Well, we told him to wear his snow boots because those are waterproof.
They told us to do
They
that.
did tell us, but they weren't expecting the weather change. Like Justin and I had big like rain jackets, waterproof jackets in the car that we were gonna wear, and then the weather just switched up on us. It's okay.
It's still gonna thunderstorm, but later.
Yeah, when we're on our way to Sophia's birthday, probably around that time.
Yeah.
I got my UPF shirt. It's like my uniform now. I bought it on Amazon. It says UPF 50. So. Hi friends, how are you? We just got back from Jacob's field trip. And in 30 minutes, I'm gonna go pick up the kids. After the field trip, we went to Lunds and Byerly's for some distilled water for Justin for his CPAP machine. And then we also got Sophia some flowers, and then they didn't have balloons there, so we went across the street because it was like across the street from Lunds and Byerly's, and we went to Cub and got her a balloon. I'm hiding that in Justin's room right now because last time Charlie bit the string off, do you remember? And then it went up. We don't want that, but today's Sophia's birthday, and we're gonna go to their house later for dinner before piano lessons. Field trip was beautiful. It was at the like a nature place, something nature reserve, and yeah, it was supposed to rain really hard, and then it didn't. It's about to rain soon, like in an hour. I can tell, like the clouds are dark, it's gloomy now, but when we were there for the field trip, it was beautiful, warm, sunny. The nature preserve, the kids got to collect water from like a dock, like a big pond, and they got to collect like a bowl of water and see if they could find any like insects living in the water or whatever. And one of the kids fell into the water. And it's so funny to me, like, I kid you not, before we went on our field trip and chaperoned, Justin's like, it's time to go. And I was like, okay, let me go pee. And then I'm like, I don't know, I just had this feeling. I'm like, I'm gonna go upstairs and get an extra change of clothes in case like Jacob needs it, because I know I have an extra change of clothes like for him in the car, but I was like, oh, I'm not sure if those pants fit anymore because he's gotten so much taller, like he had a growth spurt. And like at a nature museum, I figured like, oh, he might get dirty or whatever. I need an extra change of clothes. Like just something inside of me said, bring an extra change of clothes, more so than the ones I had in the car already. Tell me why one of the kids, a boy, he fell down into the pond, because you're supposed to be on your stomach when you're collecting water, and he was standing, he looked down, and you know, you lose your balance. He fell into the water. He even broke a tooth. And I was like, oh my gosh, you know, like I get nervous when things like that happen for kids. And I already was all like, really, these kids are allowed on a dock, second graders that are kind of cuckoo. But like, you know, I love that they give them the freedom to like do that and be out in nature. But like with water, I was thinking, ooh. One of the parents picked him up, grabbed him. He got out and he was shook it up. Of course he was, right? And then I was like, I have an extra change of clothes. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is so weird. And like the fact, like Justin ran and he got it for him. We had a towel for him to dry off. We had pants, the big pants that I brought from like upstairs this morning. Those pants were the ones that fit him because the other pants were too small. We had a t-shirt, underwear. Like I literally had everything in my bag for that boy, and it made me so happy because he would have just been so wet and uncomfortable the whole time. So long story short, You ain't got to get ready if you stay ready. I'm just saying, like, being prepared. I got clothes for Sophia up in my car. I got clothes for Liam, for Jacob. I got clothes for the baby. I got diapers there for them. Justin was all like, when I was looking through, like, you know, your stuff in the car, I saw that you even had diapers. I was like, of course. What you think this is? I'm new to this? No. Charlie, mommy, stay ready. Oh, papito. Oh, my goodness. Look at the little collar. Mommy, stay ready. I'm going to drink my coffee because I only have a few minutes to drink my yummy mocha. I'm going to put ice, and then I'm going to get the kids, and then we'll go to Sophia's birthday. My sweet girl. You guys, we have missed so many of Sophia's birthday, like, in person, because, you know, the boy's birthday is in April, so... and then May is busy also because it's Mother's Day, and then it's Justin's birthday, so we never really like see family during this time unless it's Jared and Steve and they fly out. But never do we get to see our Sophie girl on her birthday, so this is really special. I wanted to go all out, so I got her a bunch of birthday presents. We're gonna do a little flower pot for her. Like, I'm gonna go grab a vase because we got some yellow roses, and then her balloon. All the things. Alrighty, my friends, we're gonna go to Sophie and celebrate her on her birthday. Look how special. She loves cats. We got one that I wrapped for her because I think it's fun for kids to wrap presents on their birthday. And then we got her a big old balloon that we were hiding from Charlie. I see you looking, Charlie. It's not going to happen today. And then her flowers. We didn't have a vase. And for Mother's Day, I was giving like Sharon and Jessica like a mason jar. Which, yo, I need my mason jars. So I'm going to just get... this to Sophia like this. Our sweet girl gets flowers. And then a bunch of other stuff like clothes and toys and books about cats. And then Justin last minute saw this at the store. And she loves these. Rainbow corns, like kitty surprises. You know what? She never talked about a Labubu. I wonder if she's into Labubu. Honey, have you heard of Labubus? They're like these cute little stuffed animal looking things. My sister loves Labubu. She collects them. Or she started to. But they're expensive. But just, it's like the new Beanie Baby of this time of the year or time of the time. I know it makes sense. But anyways, bye friends. We'll see you later. After Sophia, we're gonna go straight to piano lessons. Bye bye. Hi friends, how are you? I wanted to show you my press-on nails. I love them. They're by Glamnetic. It's called Soft Teal. I love it. And I actually like the flat shape. I'm usually into oval or what's it called? The almonds or like the stilettos. But this is fun. Yeah, you know me. I'm obsessed with press-on nails. Girl, I'm sorry I didn't vlog as much. I haven't vlogged like for days because it was crazy busy. Like we had, I don't even remember. Like the past week we had 2 field trips we chaperoned. We had 2 Cub Scout, Boy Scout meetings. One was a potluck. And I felt so bad because I did not bake for the potluck. This Saturday, oh, and then this Wednesday, or let me go look at the calendar because I'm really good at keeping track on the. Okay. Oh, Wednesday was Sophia's. Oh no, Thursday was Sophia's birthday. We went to their house and brought her presents. And then Friday was Sharon's birthday. We went out to dinner at this place called Mill Valley. She picked it. Mill Valley. I don't know. It wasn't memorable, I guess. And then, oh, I got my lashes filled. I got them in wispy. The field trips were really fun though. And then let me see. Oh, we had a piano recital on Saturday. I baked like 3 dozen cookies and lemon bars, but my lemon bars, girl, I'm so dumb. Like lemon bars you make the night before if you're going to bring it somewhere because then it hardens. I baked it and then it didn't harden. And so I've been eating lemon bars. The one that I was supposed to bring to the piano recital. Piano recital was super cute. Go check my IG for all the photos I posted. What else happened? Oh, Sophia's birthday. Her birthday party was on Sunday. We went to Urban Air for the first time. It was fun. I got to hang out with baby the whole time. I even got to change his diaper. I just feel like whatever Jessica needs, I can help her with the baby, you know? I've been a mama. I can do this. And it just makes my heart happy knowing that I can help while she is like hosting Sophia's birthday and, you know, like giving a lot of her attention to Sophia because it's her birthday. And I love my Sophie girl, and I got to meet all her friends that came. They're all so sweet. One cute little girl, I was sitting next to her and I was feeding baby his baby food. She looked at me and she's like, because you know I be looking a little different from everyone. She looked at me and she's like, how do you know people here? Like, how do you know him? How do you know Sophia? How do you know everybody? And I was like, oh, like it kind of like, I was like, oh, and I like had to think. I was like, oh, Jessica, Sophia's mommy, I am married to her brother. You know, and I had to explain that, and it was just so cute. And I was like, I hope that's a good explanation for a little kid, because I could have just been like, I'm married to Justin, and Justin is Jessica's brother. I could have said it like that too, but I think my explanation was good. I think kids are so cute. Like, she was a cute little, like, I think her hair was red. I love her hair color. It's so cute. Yeah, so it was just busy, girl. I even got to make the goodie bags for Sophia's birthday party. It was cat themed. It was a lot of stuff that I could have shared, but I was tired. Like, the moment like we would get back from something, I would sit while the boys would watch a show and I'd be like falling asleep like this. You know, when your cup is so empty, like you don't even got a drop left in your cup, you know what I'm saying? And you so thirsty, aka like energy wise, like my cup was not full. My cup was actually opposite. I was so like drained and tired, but happy at the same time, because all of this stuff that we got to do last week was just beautiful. And then after Sophia's birthday party, which was from 11:30 to 1:30, 3 to 5 was Liam's coat of honor at the Scouts, because he aged out of Cub Scouts and he moved to Boy Scouts, but you have to like earn it, and he earned it. And then he got like his badge and got to wear a uniform and got to hold the flag. And I kind of got emotional, but I was trying to be a G, so I was like this, trying not to cry. But like it would be there, but I'd be like this because this kid earned his Eagle, like I guess his Eagle. He became an Eagle Scout. Like he earned his Eagle, like what Justin is, like the highest ranking of any Boy Scouts, and it takes so much time and effort. And just hearing his story and how the mom and the dad, like, you know, they really pushed him to accomplish it, and they were there for him. And the kid's speech, and he was like, thank you, Dad, for taking me to all the campouts. And it was just really sweet. And then there was a girl who got like a specific badge too, and her mom was the scout leader, and they like shook hands, and then she just hugged her mom like she was a teenager. And I don't know, like it made me want to cry. I was like, I don't know, I feel like I'm already like tearing up just remembering, because it's like people really put in so much time, love, effort into all the extracurriculars for their kids, and for the children to be thankful really touched my heart, because some kids might not see all the time and effort it takes, not just for them as the kid, but also for the parents, you know? So it just touched my heart. And then I was such a proud wife, because they were like, all the Eagle Scouts, like when the Eagle Scout got his honors, like they asked all the Eagle Scouts like in the church that was held, and Justin got to go up there, and I'm like, that's my man. Yeah, so it was just, I was like, yep, that's my man. Y'all didn't know he was an Eagle Scout. Yeah, so I'm so proud of Justin, the fact that he accomplished that. And I know that David had all to do with that accomplishment, you know. Justin and David, that was their thing growing up. And yeah, I give David his flowers, and Justin, of course, but I know Grandpa David, he was the one. Anyways, I love you, friends. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will be vlogging more now that I can breathe and I am not an empty cup anymore. Bye, friends. See you next time. It is raining, girl. It was raining so hard when I went to Solid Core. Like, there was a time I was on the freeway. I was like, I don't know if I could see, so I was driving really slow, but it's okay. I made it. I was safe. I said a little prayer, and I made it. Yeah. Anyways, bye, friends.